Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Reference the install code on your Burco mirror glass replacement box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed easily using Burco Redi Cuts. You have two options for replacement. Use Install A and install your new mirror over the broken mirror. This method is the cleanest and quickest and should be performed if most of your broken mirror is still intact. Use Install B and remove all broken glass if most of your mirror is missing from your backing plate or you would prefer a more seamless look. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Directions for A. Install in a warm, dry environment. The broken mirror must be present and should remain in the mirror housing. Remove only loose or protruding pieces using the putty knife or screwdriver. Ensure both mirror surfaces are free of dirt or debris. Test fit the mirror replacement by placing it over the existing broken mirror to check proper fit. Apply Burco Redi Stick adhesive patches to the broken mirror or mirror replacement. Use care not to cover any signal icons if applicable. Paper backing must be removed to expose the adhesive. Align and press the mirror replacement directly to the broken mirror with firm yet gentle pressure. Make sure to align signal icons if applicable. Clean the installed Burco mirror glass replacement with glass cleaner. Directions for B. Install in a warm, dry environment. Remove all existing broken glass and adhesive from the mirror's plastic frame and backing plate using the flathead screwdriver or putty knife. Thoroughly clean the backing plate with rubbing alcohol. Clean the mirror with glass cleaner. Test fit the Burco mirror glass replacement before proceeding to the next step. Apply Burco Redi Stick adhesive patches to the backing plate or mirror replacement. Paper backing must be removed to expose the adhesive. Align and press the mirror glass replacement directly to the backing plate with firm yet gentle pressure. Clean the installed Burco mirror glass replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.